Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the mysterious and enchanting world of the barn owl. Known for their ghostly appearance and silent flight, barn owls are one of the most widespread and recognizable owls in the world. Let's uncover some incredible facts about these fascinating nocturnal hunters. 1. Scientific name. The barn owl's scientific name is Tyto alba. 2. Heart-shaped face. They have a distinctive heart-shaped face, which helps direct sound to their ears. 3. Silent flight. Barn owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly silently, aiding in their hunting. 4. Global distribution. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. 5. Size. Barn owls are about 33 to 39 centimeters, 13 to 15 inches long, with a wingspan of 80 to 95 centimeters, 31 to 6. Weight. They weigh between 250 to 350 grams, 8.8 to 12.3 ounces. 7. Lifespan. In the wild, they typically live around for years but can live up to 15 years in captivity. 8. Diet. Their diet mainly consists of small mammals like voles, mice, and shrews. 9. Hunting technique. They use their exceptional hearing to locate prey in complete darkness. 10. Nesting. Barn owls often nest in tree cavities, barns, and other abandoned buildings. 11. Eggs. Females lay 4 to 7 eggs per clutch. 12. Incubation. The incubation period is about 30 to 34 days. 13. Fledging. Owlets fledge approximately 50 to 55 days after hatching. 14. Monogamous. Barn owls are generally monogamous and often mate for life. 15. Plumage. They have a mottled silver gray and buff back and a pure white underside. 16. Nocturnal. Barn owls are primarily nocturnal, hunting at night. 17. Vocalizations. They make eerie screeching and hissing noises. 18. Facial disc. Their facial disc helps to funnel sound to their ears, enhancing their hearing. 19. Eye color. Barn owls have dark eyes, unlike many other owl species that have yellow eyes. 20. Conservation status. They are listed as least concern by the IUCN. 21. Predators. Common predators include larger birds of prey, foxes, and domestic cats. 22. Adaptability. They adapt well to various habitats, including farmlands, grasslands, and urban areas. 23. Hearing. Their hearing is so acute that they can detect the slightest rustle of a mouse in the grass. 24. Feather maintenance. They spend a lot of time preening to keep their feathers in top condition. 25. Territorial. Barn owls are territorial and will defend their hunting grounds. 26. Courtship. Males perform courtship displays that include aerial acrobatics and food offerings. 27. Nest location. Nests are often placed in high, secluded spots to protect from predators. 28. Parental care. Both parents share the responsibility of feeding the chicks. 29. Molting. They molt once a year, usually after the breeding season. 30. Vocalizations. Besides their screeches, they also have a variety of calls. 31. Insect control. They help control rodent populations, making them beneficial to farmers. 32. Color variation. There is some variation in plumage color across their range. 33. Feeding technique. They often swallow their prey whole and later regurgitate indigestible parts as pellets. 34. Nest predation. Nests are sometimes parasitized by other birds. 35. Climate change. Climate change may affect their feeding and breeding patterns. 36. Cultural impact. They are a popular subject in folklore and mythology. 37. Observation. They are a favorite among birdwatchers. 38. Conservation efforts. Efforts to preserve their habitat are crucial for their survival. 39. Scientific study. They have been extensively studied by ornithologists. 40. Symbolism. In some cultures, they are seen as symbols of wisdom and mystery. 41. Feather structure. Their feathers are specially adapted to reduce noise during flight. 42. Breeding range. Their breeding range includes most of the world except for polar and desert regions. 43. Wintering range. They do not have a distinct wintering range as they are non-migratory. 44. Color variation. Some individuals may show more white or gray in their plumage. 45. Song variation. Their vocalizations can vary regionally. 46. Feeding technique. They often feed by swooping down on their prey from a perch. 47. Nest predation. Nests are sometimes parasitized by other birds. 48. Climate change. Climate change may affect their feeding and breeding patterns. 49. Cultural impact. They are a popular subject in folklore and mythology. 50. Inspiration. The barn owl continues to inspire bird enthusiasts and conservationists alike. And there you have it, 50 amazing facts about barn owls. These incredible birds are not only a symbol of mystery and beauty, but also play a vital role in our ecosystems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife facts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.